Hey crafty people, remember I told you I had 18 cards prepped? Well, here are 3 more of those 18 cards, and I still have about 5 left. So this is a saturated canary collection, same digital paper artist, but a different collection. This one's called Ocean something. Ocean. Enchanted Ocean. Here we go. And the sentiment says, I'm done adulting. Let's be mermaids. How cute is that? I love it. So colored up my saturated canary mermaid who has hot glue strings on her. I hate it. I will think that all the glue strings are gone and then I go to do the video and I see some. So that makes the nice focal point along with the mermaid. There's actually a mermaid underneath on the paper and I had to really cover her up with my mermaid because I wanted to use one of my mermaids. So I have a square doily back here. I added some purple bling around the corners, some bling here. And I had this die that looks, I think this is La La Land. It looks like seashells to me in a way. And I layered some pretty flowers. These are actually some plastic flowers like from the dollar store. And I just added some bling centers and layered them on top of some flower appliques, some recollection flowers. And then I used that beautiful trim I got from China last year and the sentiment area. So that is card number 1. Card number 2 is a circle card. I don't know if you can call it a circle since I cut the bottom off of it, but it is made with circle dies. And these are spellbinder dies back around each one of the circles. And then this die right here is a Marianne Designs, and it comes in a group of dies. There's layers, die layers. So I have some bling here, a pretty Prima Flower, Wild Orchid Craft, Recollections, Wild Orchid Craft, and then I had these like purple sprays in my stash. I added this heart sachet. I layered a white bow applique and a bling, and then a different kind of real pretty trim there as my stopper, and there is the sentiment area. So that's card number 2. Card number 3. I love this one. I just love the color of the mermaid, really. I added some layered butterfly appliques and then 1, 2, 3 layers of Martha Stewart punched butterflies. So that's actually a 4-layer butterfly. This one's a 3-layer. I made a bow and layered a bow applique. Pretty trim with sequins all around. My Wild Orchid Craft flowers on top of these rosettes. And then it pops up on that pretty slider from the DIY Boutique Supply. And that is card number 3. So guys, these cards are already sold. I listed them this morning and they sold today sometime. But thanks so much for stopping by and having a look. If you go to my eBay, it's not really an eBay store. It's, you go to eBay, you find something I'm selling, And then you subscribe so that like anytime I list something, you get a notification if you're interested in that. If you're not, if you'd rather, you can always just commission me to make you a specific card with a specific image, a specific sentiment, a theme, a color scheme, you know, and then I can make it exactly the way you want it. But if you love the mermaids, and last year I had a lot of people contacting me wanting me to keep making the mermaids because they wanted to buy some. So just let me know. I'm happy to make something custom for you. So thanks for watching. Happy scrappy days. I will link everything in the description box down below. See you next time.